If we lose this, then we would have lost $15. But I think we'll be more careful this time, right? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another trading session. So tonight we're going to trade OTC market, and I'm going to show you guys a different strategy, and it's still relatively new to me, but I am still figuring it out, making sure it's something I can stick with. It's always good to every now and then change your strategy. You don't always stick to just the same one, although if that one or two strategies that has been working for you consistently, then by all means there's no need to change. But aside from showing you guys how much I can make with pocket option, with binary options trading in general, I still would like to show you guys some other strategies and tricks that I've learned online and practice on my own terms to hopefully help you guys too at the same time. So let's go ahead and show you guys the settings. We have three indicators. We have the moving average. It is set at 50 and WMA, or weighted moving average. The style, I just keep it white, 2 pixels so I can see it, but you can change any color you want. And then my trusty old stochastic oscillator with a little bit of change in the settings, with an 11 with the K period, 3 for the D period, 3 for the smoothing period, and we'll keep this SMA, smooth moving average. Styles, I don't really touch except that make sure that it says 80-20 here. And then RSI set the default to 14. If it's not 14, change it to 14. And then styles, I leave default 70, 50, and 30. You can actually take off 50. You don't really need it, but I use it as a gauge for helping where the direction of the trend is going. And then keep everything else the same, or change the line weights if you want, and hit save. So basically how the strategy works is anytime the stochastic oscillator and RSIs, so if let's say the stochastic leaves the overbought position and the RSI is exiting it as well, then you would take a down trade. And the opposite is true for if it leaves the oversold position, and for the RSI, same thing. The candlesticks is what we'll be using, and it will be under 30 seconds candlestick. So each candlestick is 30 seconds. Make sure all of these are all checked up. And the expiration time can vary between 1 minute and 2 minutes depending on the situation. That will depend on your technical analysis as well, which I still highly recommend, or shouldn't recommend, require that you still use. That's your number one go-to indicator, if you will. All these other indicators are just guides and should be used as a secondary method. The other thing I want to enter, as you can see here in this chart, you want to enter a down trade also. Aside from the indicators leaving their overbought and oversold positions, you want to look at the candlesticks. And if you're going to do a down trade or a sell trade, you want to make sure that it's a red candlestick that overpowers the green candlestick before it, and that is considered a bearish candle. And then so that's that. So if you see here, if you had let this close and then go for a 1 minute down trade, you would have won that right here. See? And if you do the opposite of that, it's true as well. If you see a bullish candlestick right here, see, that's the green is overpowering the red before it. Let it close and do a 1 minute or 30 seconds. So that's 2 candles up trade. But as you can see, you also want to look at, like I said, your technical analysis. You want to look at all the candles how they're behaving, because this strategy is not 100%. No strategy is. There's no guarantee of winning in any of the strategies you see online or what I show you. So you have to be careful, be patient, and be precise with your entries. So let's go ahead and look for a chart that we can enter and go from there. Go here. Let's see, we're gonna, of course, select Euro USD. Let's close this. That's no good. USDs. Typically, anything with the USDs are relatively good. But if there is a currency pair that you're used to and you love, by all means use that as well. I just love Euro USD, even though there are times when it's been I lost a lot of money from it. So yeah, I don't know why I selected that. Doesn't pay well. Since we're an OTC, you might as well find the highest payouts. So might as well use these. So there's not that many, but that's all right. So let's go ahead and look at our trusty Euro USD and see if we can enter here. I'm gonna compound my earnings as always to help speed up the process of earning, but also with lower trades. I don't want to trade a lot because your chances of losing is high, but also this method you lose once and that's it, you have to start over again, but at least you're not losing a lot all at one time. So but however you want to do it, just follow your own method that works. So I'm just going to look for a good entry point here. Looking at USD, this is an inner support level right here. It doesn't look too good. The real support level is down here. And it will take a while to get there, although the trend is showing that it will get there, or at least close to that. Here's the main resistance, and candles will get there sometime. We actually miss our opportunity here, but that's okay. You will miss your opportunities a lot, but you want to be careful. So let me wait and find an entry here. Okay, even though we're going against the trend here, which I don't recommend you do if you're a beginner, I saw that this is somewhat of a bullish candle stick. It doesn't have to be the one candle after it. It can be two candles, but I also noticed that the indicators are going up, and just because this is a support area, it's not a strong support area, so it will bounce off. So hopefully I'm right, and we'll just have to see. Okay, got that. That's actually not a strong signal, but I knew that was going to go up, even though, like I said, the trend is going down. You should not bet against the trend. Eventually, because of how strong this trend is, it could go down, but then again, it could change direction and hit the resistance line. So right now, if we move it, this is the new resistance line right here. It's an inner resistance line, but or it could also consolidate or range, so, but we'll go and find another chart. Okay, found another situation here. Got my trend line. Looks like it's trending in an upwards direction. And if this doesn't break through, and if we see a bearish engulfing pattern or bullish, a green candle, then we're going to take an up trade. And looking at our indicators, if this crosses that and passes through here, this oversold position, that's what we're going to do. But let's wait and see what the candle will do, because it could very well go down some more and have a breakout. So we just have to be patient. So this is technically already somewhat a breakout. That's a breakout actually, but I'm gonna wait. I've been in situations where it was a breakout and then it just bounces back up like I thought it would. But if there's another red candle going down, then that is a breakout. Because this is technically a bearish candle right now, but see this green candle here? But I think this is going down, so we're gonna go down. I think it's gonna continue down. I think this is a breakout. So let's wait and see, and hopefully we were right. Okay, 4 seconds. Looks like we are gonna get this trade, and we did. 2 in a row. See, my first instinct was that it will pull back and go up, but seeing this bearish candlestick and then the trends going down, and this is a clear breakout from the trend line, that there's no way but down on this one. So that was a good trade right there. Let's go ahead and up our trade one more time and look for another chart. Okay, looks like we got another chart here. Oops. Downtrend. Still not sure, might be consolidating right now. Just like the last chart, if this breaks through with a huge bearish candle, then this is going to be another downtrade just like before. But I think that this will turn around because perhaps it will turn around. We'll see. Just gotta be patient. But we are ready. We got our amount set up. 1 minute. Looks like it still keeps going down. This is a bullish engulfing pattern. If this candlestick engulfs this red one, hope this is a breakout. So we are going to take a trade. 1 minute down. Hopefully we made the right decision. Well, that was a bad choice. Damn. Let's see why. Yeah, I should have used this. Yep, that was a better one. Damn. Should have panned back. So that's my mistake. Can't blame the market for that. So we're gonna keep it at $55.30. This is gonna go up. Let me just wait for a pullback. There he is. All right. So that was also my fault. I didn't wait for the indicators to leave an oversold position. Had I done that and also marked my proper support, then this is a stronger support level. I probably could have won that trade. Now, now this is what we wanted. But it's all good. Let's see how much we make after this trade. Okay, we got that. That was actually a really good signal. And we're at 190. Let's go ahead and lower our bet. Let's go down to, let's do a 50.88. If we lose this, well, no, let's do Yeah, let's do that. If we lose this, then we would have lost $15. But I think we'll be more careful this time, right? Okay, let's check out other charts here. Okay, this is going to be a strong down trade. Let's do this for 1 minute. I think this is going to keep going down. As you can see, the downtrend is strong and the support level is here. So with 1 minute, it's not going to touch it yet, but I just want enough time to just go past this. Hopefully it doesn't pull back early. And I hope 1 minute is enough, but we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, there we go. $237 for today. So we made about almost 90 bucks, and not bad for a trading day, even though we lost one big one. And that was really because of not properly drawing my support line. Had I drawn my support line there, I would have won that. Nevertheless, we won 4 trades out of 5 and 1 loss. Yes, I'm still happy. It's a profit. Remember, profit's profit, no matter how big or small it is. And as long as you end with a win, or if you're happy with your decision, even though you walk away with a loss, just don't lose too many times. Keep your strategy intact. If you only are here to lose once or twice, and that's it for the day, then that's it for the day. Move on to the next day. But I am happy with today's trade, even though we lost one big one, but we got back and we ended up with a profit. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's a new strategy. Like I said, I might be using that strategy for a few more videos. We'll see how well it does. So far, I'm liking it. Otherwise, hope you guys learned something from it and found it entertaining. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And as always, guys, protect your balance, make profit, don't be greedy, don't be impatient. Check your emotions and you'll be profitable and be a winning trader. So until the next video, guys, take care and God bless. Bye-bye.